ride the mountains that were all just like stacked rocks.
I said, you know what, you might turn around and look at what's behind you.
There's 6 more people and dogs. Some people, yeah.
Besides, it's in
Well, it looks like we're getting it. Thanks for my water, Mom.
Oh dear, yeah.
It's amazing how this thing just goes about straight up.
Excuse. Can't buy one of your
What, this?
Look this pretty from the airplane.
Or this?
It looked, yeah, it did now. It did. It was just, this looked very small.
Mm-hmm.
Can't even see.
Yeah, this is like 25,000 feet at the point. I don't, I couldn't see.
Yeah, here.
Now as we come to doctor, maybe a few bumps.
No, only in the early morning and only late at night. I'll have to get you up here tomorrow morning.
Looks like one of those aerial photos.
Oh, yeah.
Every good one of these bumps.
My friend would say, it's okay, it's on your side. Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
That's good.
Yeah, you know that
This is beautiful. I think we should wake up to this every morning.
So I wasn't the only one to brave it in shorts. Beautiful out here.
Actually, it will be true. It's gonna be
Do
like.
you see how we just almost
Almost
that?
Flip flops
Do you
too,
see that
wow.
cable?
Yeah.
I wouldn't even attempt it yet.
Do you see that cable? Oh my gosh, that's the greatest cable. What is it? Look at this cable. It just came straight up.
Okay, who's moving?
And we'll be getting that once the other tramway down below docks.
Wow. This is terrible. I don't ever want to do this again.
Okay, guys, welcome to the top. Watch your step, little step down there.
That is some fucking view.
Oh, geez, I did it to you again. I'm sorry.
Oh my God.
Yes, I'll fix you in a sec. Thank you. It'll feel better.
That's nice catching the sun.
I know.
There's a chair like well now.
That's for the skiers. They go down the bottom. Yeah, I love the cold. Oh, look at the snow! Whoa!
Oh yeah.
This is some serious skiing. Serious skiing. Oh, there's a ski lift over there.
There's a stump up here, isn't there?
I am in shorts and flip-flops and I'm walking on a ski resort at the top of a mountain. How far up is this? 6,000? What did she say? 6,000?
9,000 somewhat, aren't we?
Was it 9,000?
Yeah.
Man, this is awesome. Absolutely awesome. I know, I saw. It seems so weird because we're in the middle of a desert in New Mexico on a ski resort
Somebody else just done
in 80-degree sunshine.
There's some more just coming up the list.
Oh, look, there's skiers. They've been to the bottom and came back up.
Somebody else just gone skiing up down there.
Wave! Ooh. Oh, it's not looking. Oh, we should have gone on one of those ski things.
Hey?
We should have gone on one of those ski things.
What, one of the snowboards?
Yeah. No, down on the ski lift and back up. There's an extra $12.
Oh. Never mind.
Never mind.
Yeah, up they go.
Awesome.
If we go down nearer the end there.
It's not that cold either.
It's not actually.
It's not that cold.
It's just the snow. You've got to have the right sort of snow, because it's got a crazy that packs underneath.
This is like ice.
Yeah, it just packs underneath the feet.
This would be the perfect time to first ever go snowboarding. Ah, this is fucking awesome.
Ski area closed. Well, they're going off that one this time.
So you think there's one here, there's one over there, and there's three runs.
This one's closed.
Yeah, there's one there, and there's one over there as well. So that's 3 good runs.
Yeah.
Oh, this is fucking
They
amazing.
have different levels, don't they? Like the black and...
This is absolutely amazing. We'll walk back up and go along that way and across there. It's 10,378 feet. Oh, snowboarders.
Oh, yeah, I'm just... We're going to get some photos off the top there.
Yeah, I'm going to go down there. I want to jump in the snow.
You're mad!
That's all I want to do. We don't get snow at home like this anymore.
Somebody's been over there.
I know.
Oh, it's closed between now 4 and 9. It's not actually closed. Oh, it's 3 o'clock now.
How cool is that?
What's a fair old run down in it?
That is.
Wow!
I want to snowboard. I want to go and do it. Want to go and do it. I'll do it in my shorts. I will. I fucking will.
Unfortunately, it says no higher.
Is it?
Yeah. It said no higher.
That's unfair. Oh. Fucking hell, it's whirlwindy up here.
bus stop from there coming up, doesn't it? Must have been a fair old thing getting these cables up now. The other colour should come over the top soon.